Today, I'm going to discuss nutritional deficiencies with you. Almost everybody in North America seems to have one or many nutritional deficiencies. And what that means is that your body is not getting enough of the building blocks it needs to build and sustain your healthy body. And even though our bodies are amazing at maintaining as best as they can or getting by, eventually, if we are lacking something for too long, disease will set in.
You can think of the foods you're eating as ingredients for building the house that is your body. And the better quality foods and the more of them that you eat, the stronger and more structurally sound the house of you will be.
And so the main reasons people have nutritional deficiencies are, one, that they simply don't eat them. So if your food is devoid of certain vitamins or minerals or amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, so there are 20 different amino acids that can be rearranged in thousands of different combinations to make various proteins. Your skin is protein and fat. Your hair is protein. Your fingernails are protein. Your digestive enzymes are protein. Your body uses proteins for everything, not just muscle. So we need to get 8 and 9 for children essential amino acids. That means our body cannot synthesize them. We can't make them ourselves. We have to get those from food. If we are not eating enough of complete proteins, which means we're getting all of those essential amino acids, then we'll have protein deficiencies, and that can show up as all sorts of health problems too. The other food group that I see a lot of deficiency in is people getting enough of the right kinds of fats. And mostly that's getting enough DHA in the body. So we know about omega-3s and omega-6s, but a lot of the omega-3 that we talk about or that you hear about is ALA, which needs to be converted into EPA and DHA in the body. And that conversion process doesn't always happen easily for everybody or at all, especially pregnant moms and babies and children. So babies and kids and adults need a lot of DHA in the diet. Best sources are fish and animal products. The only vegetarian or vegan DHA out there is from algae, and it's not even yet known how well our body can absorb and utilize that DHA. So thinking about the first order of business is making sure your food contains enough of the essential nutrients that we need to build healthy and thriving bodies. The second reason that you may not be getting enough nutrients in your diet is that you're not absorbing them. So just because we put something in our body doesn't mean that it will be absorbed. Your body, your digestive tract is like a hollow tube. It's like, as one of my colleagues who's brilliant and hilarious likes to say, it's your inside outside. It's like a donut. It's the whole of the donut. And your body, to a large extent, is able to determine what comes in and what stays out, but under ideal conditions. So if you have inflammation or damage in your gut due to allergies or the wrong kind of microbes, or you're lacking the good beneficial bacteria that need to be there for optimal digestion to take place, you are not going to absorb your nutrition. Your bacteria that live in your gut provide up to 70% of the nutrition that your cells need to absorb nutrients. So if you've been on antibiotics, or you're under a lot of stress, or you eat food that has high sugar and antibiotic residues or chemicals that kill microbes, and you've knocked out your good bacteria, you already are less than half able to absorb your nutrition from your food than you would be if they were present. So they're really important. So it's not just what you eat, it's what you absorb. The third reason a lot of people have nutrition deficiencies is because they are losing more than they're gaining, because they're eating a lot of something that I like to call anti-nutrients. So these are chemicals and preservatives and dyes and any stuff that we're putting in our body that has no value and only adds a toxic burden. So the more we burden our body with unnecessary things that it needs to then get out, it's not just the body gets rid of them. Your body actually has to use vitamins and minerals and proteins to package up those toxins so that they can be excreted from the body. So if you're constantly eating things that are contaminating you, your body is having to draw on its resources to get rid of those again. So you can really do yourself a favor by stopping to eat the foods that are robbing more from you than you're giving yourself. And how would you know symptom-wise if you have a nutritional deficiency? Well, that is a very broad and wide range. You might have dry skin or poor hair quality or poor mental concentration or digestive problems, shakes, sore muscles. The list is really, it goes on and on and on. So the best way is to talk to a nutritional consultant or a dietitian and to help get you set on the right track again. And for more information, you can like and follow my page and hit subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And have a great night, everyone.